Web development involves creating and maintaining websites and web applications using programming languages, frameworks, and tools. In the early days of the Internet, web development was a simpler process, with HTML and CSS being the primary languages used. However, with the advent of dynamic web applications, web development has become more complex. Modern web development involves a wide range of programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and PHP. Frameworks like Angular, React, Vue, and Node.js have also become popular. These tools and technologies allow developers to create responsive, dynamic, and interactive websites and web applications. Web development also involves a variety of roles, including front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end developers are responsible for creating the user interface and user experience of a website, while back-end developers are responsible for creating the server side of the application. Full-stack developers are proficient in both front-end and back-end development. In conclusion, web development is an exciting field that requires knowledge of various programming languages, frameworks, and tools. With the growing demand for web applications, web development is a skill that is in high demand and offers many career opportunities.